A plenty of extraordinary mosques were made or completed during Safavid dynasty, and without a doubt, each of these mosques, just like a museum, exhibits tileworks, stucco arts, and Quranic inscriptions. Hakim Mosque is one of them with 4 Iwans. Each Iwan is unique in decorations and tileworks, and the corridors have their own charming ornaments. This mosque was constructed upon the order of Shah Abbas II's physician, Hakim Muhammad Dawood. It is considered as a kind of mosque without minarets and domes. It has 3 main entrances. The eastern entrance with 2 podiums on both sides are decorated with tileworks, inscriptions with Persian poetry, muqarnas, and delicate arches. The western entrance is simple, and it is decorated with ornamental stuccos. Finally, the northern entrance, with a variety of tile and brickworks and 2 podiums in both sides, has a small Iwan with beautiful designs above the entrance. Shabestan is an underground space in traditional mosques. Hakim Mosque has 4 Shabestans and Mihrabs, which the main Shabestan is located behind the south Iwan. Another Shabestan, known as Zemestani, is located on the west side of the mosque and has 2 sections for men and women. There is a small pool on the northeast of the mosque, and it is surrounded by chambers. Other features of this mosque are 2 sundials, one on the northwest corner of the mosque and the other on the northwest Iwan. The calligraphy works of this mosque are related to Muhammad Reza Imami in 17th century. Hakim Mosque was registered as National Heritage in 1934.